Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and Happy New Year! It better be, right? Well, this is my pep talk. That's what this one is all about. And what really sparked this idea was a lot of you are posting pictures of your studio. You think, well, we're sitting in our studio, we may as well just, New Year and start cleaning it up. And I said, well, why not? That's a great idea. So I'm going to pass it on to everybody. I know it's pretty obvious, but I made some notes here for myself too, and I do this all the time. But right now is particularly a good time to kind of get yourself organized. So yeah, you got to do it. Yeah, by golly, you've got the time to do this, right? So I made a note here. Yeah, so you write down your goals for your studio. Where do you want your studio to be? I mean, is it in the living room in the corner next to the TV? Or is it in the laundry room? Or is it in the garage? Or do you have an actual place, a big studio? How lucky. Call it your studio wherever you paint. But write down your goals for the studio. And after you do that, sit down at your desk and you write down your goals for this year. You write down your goals and say, oh, I'll remember them. No, you write them down in your sketchbook. Remember the sketchbook here. So you have your studio goals, you have your goals. I always like to say this is the time to take all of your old paintings, since you've been straightening up your studio. Get out those old canvases. This is a great day to start gessoing all those old canvases. You said you were going to gesso them, so let's do it. It's a kind of a nice fresh start for the year, isn't it? So you have also in your studio, you have one more choice. Do you want to keep all your paints and all your materials around you? Or do you want to keep them out of sight, back room, in the closet, somewhere else? So you have the whole clutter-free kind of a studio. But some of us like to use all the stuff we've ever used and put it around us. Your choice. All right, just letting you know. So then you gesso over all your old canvases. Also, I want you to start thinking about promoting yourself. Yeah, you got to do it. So social media, you got to do it. So look what your friends are doing. God knows, I know you see all the other results from other people posting. So yeah, promote yourself, learn how to do it, or find some friend that's there to help you. Okay. So that's basically it. This is a great time to kind of clean your tables, empty the waste cans, sweep the floor, by gollies, clean the windows, do all those kinds of things. And now, I actually put all my paintings in different categories, subject matters, with landscapes, with, vegetables and things like that. And I break it all up that way. So now you're organized and your head doesn't have to be bouncing all over the place. I also organize it by the size. So I have all my warm-ups in one little section, and then more of my canvas pieces, like 11/17, so those kinds of things, in another section. So it gets kind of crazy, especially when you're painting different subjects. And then when you start painting abstracts, boy, now I don't know where to put those things. But anyway, that's what I'm doing right now, as you can kind of see behind me. But these are my warm-ups that I've been working with, some collage works, and kind of a different kind of a color scheme. I know you've seen all my colors and on the color wheel, but these are, I'm going softer right now. It's just something introspective kinds of stuff. It's kind of fun to be gentle. So this is my quiet time, getting ready for the springtime. So this is my hibernating time. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this little chat, and I hope you find something of value and it will help you, because we all need to be connected with each other. Boy, do we need to be connected with each other. So I know right now we're doing a whole lot of nothing, right? So this is a good time to do something. I'll see you on that journey. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, here to invite you to enter your work, your paintings, into our second international virtual juried show. How about that? We just had one called Petting Zoo, very successful, lots of prizes. We were pretty excited about it by the responses and your results, that we decided to do another one. And this one the theme is called Table Settings. Think of the possibilities. Table setting. It could be table for two. It could be dishes and plates and wine glasses. It could be a banquet. It could be a table for one. You decide. How do I do a painting? And the title will be table setting. It's your imagination. We take abstracts, realistic, all of them. It's your best effort. And let me tell you, you're good enough to enter into this show. We have an international juror, again, a different one. Her name is Karen Vernon. I love this lady. She's a great teacher and a great painter. And so she's well qualified to pick out the best. So you send in your best for table setting. The prospectus is following this information. And go to my website, you'll see the whole thing. I can't wait to see your work. Take care, and this is Bob Burridge.